hello gay people. I wanted to show you how to read audio CD because I bought album Lacray Gravity, and I will show you because I already have that here. Where's music? Very very good album. I bought one of the albums off eBay. It was £4. The DVD itself, sorry, CD itself was a little bit scratched, but it doesn't matter because today I wanted to show you how to read audio CD to hard drive because I got one utility on the desktop. Where's Windows Media Player? Uh, okay, I will check Media Player, Media Player, Windows Media Player, and I will show you. I didn't insert a DVD, but I will show you. I got an album. This album is quite old because it is 10 years old, the album, but I just wanted to show you what steps you are supposed to do to be able to read audio CD on your local hard drive. This should come up in a minute. Okay. Oh, I got lost track. I probably, oh no. I probably didn't read CD properly. What is last song which I didn't, uh, I have to check. I probably didn't, uh, oh, I read everything, but I have to double check. Very, very good album. Okay, I will show you because I also have different utility. Very, very good album. I bought for very low price. Now we have read settings, format, more options. You can change directory to different catalog because we need to use also different application to be able to read audio CD. Performance, what we got here. Maybe I will leave as it is. What is this? This is to do with the internet connection, then security, privacy, we also have player, okay, now I can read music. Okay, we got option. Now you can copy on your local hard drive, depending on depending on the condition of your DVD or audio CD. This may take a while, but we also need another application. It will do by name. First song is intro, the drop intro, but I will only show you what you can use to rename. That one, I think that one is ready. We got MP3 tag. Lacray. uh, year 2012. I'm just showing you the graph uh, intro. Now you can also drag image thumbnail preview of the icon of the album, but I will use it without it. I will only use this option. Uh, oh yes, it came up. But don't forget to also say configuration. This is important too. Because this catalog will remember all settings. And your iPhone should detect files without any problems. Keep the fame and rise like back up. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you like album you can buy. I bought for low price and I am happy despite the fact audio CD was scratched. It copied all the files without any problems, and I'm very happy because I thought that I would not be able to read audio CD to my hard drive. But nothing was wrong, and I was able to import album to my iPhone 6s. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys. Have a nice day. Before I finish, I forgotten to mention they release updates for this application. It's not Kanye West, but I will check. This is free application. You don't have to pay for this, and this is uh, for editing MP3 files, even um, different formats, which are to do with Apple. I hope you like video tutorial because this is actually updated application. Oh, I also have some other settings. What we got here? Oh, I didn't know this is also here. Mapping, advanced, tools, export. Oh, I needed to check something. Updates. I don't like automatic updates. I try to do this manually, but it's up to you. Message. Very, very good application. I like very much. I think this is one of the best application. But this video tutorial was mainly how to read audio CD to hard drive. Because many of you probably bought audio CDs and not probably all people knew about that option which was located in Windows Media Player. This is why I'm publishing that video tutorial for you. See you guys.